Hey guys, welcome to TechComparos. These days I find myself working a lot from my home office, and with that comes a lot of tele and web conferencing with my colleagues. What does make my life a little easier for the conferencing sessions is a powerful headset that is user friendly and provides great audio quality for both me and the receiver. So today I'll be reviewing the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC. A little bit about the company that makes these headsets. The name of the company is Poly. It came to life in 2019 when Polycom and Plantronics merged together. Polycom and Plantronics both have been making office equipment for a really long time. Now let's go ahead and see what comes in the box along with the headsets. So obviously you have the headset themselves. Then you have this USB charging cable, followed by a BT600 USB Bluetooth adapter, a charging stand that you can connect to your laptop via a USB cable, and a carrying case, a soft carrying case that's actually pretty handy. The Plantronics Voyager Focus UC connects to laptops, Bluetooth-enabled desk phones, mobile phones, tablets, smartwatches via Bluetooth. It can also connect to laptops via this USB adapter right here. With this headset, you can switch the left and the right headphones when you're wearing them. That means it doesn't really matter how you wear them. Also, if you see this microphone, it's pretty flexible. This way or that way, it doesn't matter. One side of the headset features the pause, play, the fast forward, and the rewind buttons, as you can see here. And at the bottom on the same side, you have the active noise cancellation button that you can turn on or off as needed. Also then on the other side, in addition to the microphone that you saw earlier, there's a tiny red button right here that allows you to mute, unmute while you're on a phone call. And then there's the on-off button over here on this side. Also, what you'll see is that once you're on a phone call, you'll see these blue LEDs flash. So that's actually a pretty good indicator that you're speaking and you're on a phone call. Also, what's great about this headset is that it's got like a really soft band right here, and then these soft pads right here on your ears. So that's really comfortable and convenient. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about charging. So you guys saw this charging stand earlier. Now what you have to do is you have these charging pads right here. So all you have to do is literally slide this in and it starts charging. This headset has a rated talk time of 10 hours with noise cancellation enabled and 10 hours without. One of the best features of this headset is the smart sensor. So say you're listening to music and you get a phone call. The music automatically pauses, so you just have to hit the play button to disconnect the call and the music automatically resumes. Also, another cool feature is if you take the headset off while listening to music, it automatically pauses the music and resumes once you put the headset back on. It mutes the microphone automatically if you take off the headset while in a phone call. Now let's see how this headset fares against its competitors. The Plantronics Voyager Focus UC is priced at $199. The Sennheisser Adapt 300 EPOS headset is priced at $269. It also has a higher quality stereo performance though, along with a better battery performance. But it doesn't have as many features as the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC. That one's loaded with features. The other competitor would be the Jabra Evolve 75 headset, which is priced at $249. It has a better noise cancellation and better side tone performance compared to the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC. However, the build quality of the Voyager Focus is better than that of the Evolve 75. The Voyager Focus UC also looks elite. What I don't like about the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC is that it has an unnatural side tone. Also, it offers only Bluetooth connectivity compared to the Sennheisser Adapt 300 EPOS, which can also connect via USB cable or a USB-C connector or an audio cable to other devices. So, to summarize, the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC has good sound quality, has highly impressive music quality with a tight bass if that's what you're using it for. It possesses active noise cancellation, especially for the microphone to eliminate unwanted ambient noises, and smart sensor technology. Its robust build quality, along with premium materials, especially the soft pads, provide comfort during longer phone calls. The volume control knob also has a really nice feel to it when in use, and the microphone latch is not flimsy. Also, you can easily mount it from the charging stand. Guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you found it informative. We're soon coming up with more reviews of cool audio technology, so please hit the subscribe button to receive notifications of future tech reviews. If there's any specific gadget that you have in mind that you would like us to review, let us know in the comments below. Cheers!